Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So currently I am here in Bali for a short trip. It's actually 2 days, almost 3-day trip. And I thought I would show you guys what I packed for a short weekend trip. Most of my travel are short lang. Like weekend or long weekend. Swerte na pag may long weekend because I work full time, so hindi ako pwedeng mag-leave ng sobrang matagal or magbakasyon ng sobrang mahaba kasi nga work today malaga. Anyway, so on a short trip, I am gonna show what's in my bag or what I packed for a short trip. Paulit-ulit. But before we continue on with the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and yeah, share this video probably, and I hope you like it. So on a short trip, I usually bring my backpack and this one. So parang ito lang. On a short trip, I usually don't bring trolley bag. I used to do, kaya lang parang mas mahirap pa yun. And normally, I do not check my baggage kasi nga nagmamatipid ako kasi it has cost. So I usually bring lang carry-on or kung ano lang magkakasya sa carry-on. So on a trip, I normally like plan ahead or kung ano masusutin ko or whatever kung ano mga kailangan ko for the trip para i-pack lang. So yeah, I have 2 bags. Ito, tsaka ito. So ipakita ko sa iyo yung laman ng bag ko. Anyway, this goes under the seat and this one goes sa overhead bin ng airplane. So, ito muna yung backpack. So, kumbaga, itong backpack na to, yung mga ang laman nito yung mga madali lang kuhanin. Like, I don't need to stand up to get the overhead cabin or overhead compartment kung may kailangan ako. So, dapat yung madaling kuhanin sa baba. So, just dito sa front pocket, I have my wallet and I have my ID and card holder here. Yeah. So, may sunnies. Tapos, I usually bring my company ID kasi some immigration asks for them. I have my earphone for the phone, sanitizer. So yun na naman ang front pocket. Tapos dito sa malaking compartment, I have here I have your makeup kasi wala lang. I normally wear cap pag nagbabiyahe ako kasi para hindi masyadong kita kung gano'n nakapangit yung yung itsura ko. Excuse me guys. By the way, you may notice, pulo yung aking kalahati ng katawan because I was lounging by the pool kahapon, nasa spa, and I didn't wear any sunscreen kasi I normally don't wear one. Just bad nung gayahin. And the sun is coming from here, so kalahati ng katawan ko is like burned. Normally I don't wear sunscreen kasi hindi naman growing up in the Philippines, hindi ako ganun. Hindi naman ako usually nagkisusuot ng sunscreen kasi akala ko sanay ako sa init. But, Bali is hot. I mean, look at this. Normally, they don't get burned. May ganito kadami. Correct. Anyway, let's continue on with the video. I have my pen here. So, for your immigration stuff, you always have to have a pen with you whenever whenever you travel, hindi mo alam kung kailan mo kakailangan. I have my headphone. I usually wear this or use this pag Netflix ako. Kasi mas maganda yung sound. This is actually hindi mamahalan. I actually got this from rewards na load lang. And of course, I have my travel organizer here. I have yung mga travel cards. I have my passport here. Both my old and new passport. I have extra pen here. And baka may mahirap lang. And then, yeah. Some foreign currency bill. Yan lang yan. And ano po, kung kailangan ako mayroon isulat or whatever. And I have my hoodie. Ayan, maliit lang to. Or manipis lang. Kaya lang, sa liit ko ng to, madali ako malamig. I usually bring this hoodie with me. Tapos, I have this. These are some toiletry stuff na I usually bring kahit nag-office ako. Ito, this goes here. And dito na wala na sa bag ko. So, I have my Burt's Bees. Hindi ko ng vlogger yan. Lip balm. My Innisfree hand cream here. Moisturizer. Hand cream. No. This is what's this? Hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. I have a toothbrush here. Yun. Ang naman na. Floss, cotton. Dental floss, cotton. Lip Dazzler. Para sa lips. So yun yung laman ito. I normally bring this naman kaya hindi na ako sagot ko yun. Kahit lang pa. And then I have my electronic pouch. Or electronic stuff here. And then yung mga wires, mga charger, mga memory cards. Ayan, mga camera accessories, flasher, para madali ko siyang hanapin sa bag. Kung kakailangan. And then, I have my iPad. So, pang Netflix. I like watching my Netflix dito sa iPad kasi mas gusto ko mas malaking screen. And when you travel with budget airline like myself, normally they go to the TV or yung entertainment. Something monitor or ganyan. So, sa ganito ako nagano at least, diba? Mas malaking mapapanood ko. Before I fly, I download mga gusto ko panoorin while on a plane. So, before flying here, I downloaded Lock and Keys sa Netflix. And it's so good, guys. So, natapos ko na yung buong series. So, yun ang laman itong aking bag. This is, by the way, from Coach. My friends and I ordered it from the US. And then, pinadeliver lang kami sa Philippines. If you guys wanna know kung paano mag-shop sa US directly, papunta sa Pilipinas, comment down below kasi pwede kong i-share sa inyo yun na paano kami nag-shopping sa US. Kasi mas cheaper pa rin when you buy stuff sa US and then you have it delivered in the Philippines compared with buying doon sa mga store dito sa Pilipinas. Maybe because of taxes, I don't know. So, this one naman goes overhead. Ganyan yun sa, ang tawag doon, overhead compartment or something. Ito, doon nilalagay ito. Kasi short trip nga lang ito. So, konti lang yung dala ko. And, kasi wala itong bag na to. This is, by the way, a Louis Vuitton Keepall. 50 or 55, I'm not really sure. Yeah, it's a Louis Vuitton 50. people 50, size 50. Wala siyang compartment sa loob. So, what I did is, and kahit ang dala ko pa yung maletang may trolley na ganyan, I use packing cubes. Ganyan. So, nandyan na lahat yung aking damit for the whole trip, or pag marami akong iba-ibang klaseng damit, alam ko may gagamitan ako na may paggagamitan ako sa ganito, or pag masyado ako marami ng damit, I usually bring a lot of this and then put it in the luggage or sa bag ko para organize yung aking gamit. And it compresses the clothes kasi pwede mo siyang pagsiksikan doon para relief na ganun. And it's organized. I mean, pag tanggal mong ganun, you can just put your stuff sa kung saan malagay, kompleto na. So, in a low-bat case yung aking camera. Back to the video. So, yun nga, as I was saying, I normally put the clothes in the packing cubes or travel with packing cubes kasi it just organizes your stuff. Hindi ka mahirapan hanapin kung nasa yung ganito, nasa yung ganito. So, yeah, yun. And sometimes kung marami talaga akong dati, I don't put my stuff in one packing cubes, like I separate like pants in this packing cube, my shirt in this, my socks and underwear in this cube, and I bring extra cube para sa laundry, so yung maduduming damit, and then sinaseparate yung ganyan para organize. And yeah, I have my extra toiletry stuff in here. So, yung laman ng aking bag. If you organize your stuff, you can maximize the size of your bag. Like kanya using your packing cube, so whenever you travel, or maybe invest in packing cubes, hindi siya ganun kamahalan. And that way, ma-maximize nyo yung space dun sa luggage ninyo. And if you're like one of those traveler brings a lot of pasalubong back home, marami kayong mabibili. Marami kayong iilagay din sa bag ninyo. And you can save money as well kasi you don't have to pay for extra baggage or ano. So that's it for my video for today. If you guys have any other advice or tip on how to pack for a short trip or even on a long trip, share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if there is any other videos that you guys want me to do, please comment nyo lang din sa comment section below. And don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification. So I'll see you guys in my next video.